Now, a complaint has been registered against PDP chief Mehbooba Mufti over her remark on the Indian tricolour, which has sparked a massive controversy. The complaint has been filed against her in the Delhi Police Commissioner's office. Mufti had said that she will raise the Indian tricolour only when the flag of Jammu and Kashmir is brought back.
PDP President Mehbooba Mufti held a press conference here at her residence in Srinagar, where she briefed press and said that she is not going to hold the flag of country till the flag of Jammu and Kashmir is returned by the government of India. She made it clear that she is not going to contest any election, although she said that she is not only fighting for the restoration of Article 370, but her fight is also for Kashmir issues. She is looking for the resolution of Kashmir issue. PDP is one of the signatories of People Alliance for Gupkar Declaration that plans for the restoration, fight for the restoration of Article 370. Although Ms. Mufti said that Delhi has stolen what was given to people of Kashmir, and that too unconstitutionally, and they are going to fight it out, and they will get back what was stolen from the people of Jammu and Kashmir.
The first question that should be asked of her is that on the one hand she claims to be the so-called mainstream politician of India, and on the other hand she has reservations in carrying the tricolour, which happens to be the national flag of India. And this is what we have been maintaining for the last several years, that the so-called political parties, the so-called political leaders of Kashmir, whether they be from the PDP or from the National Conference, they sometimes tend to be even more dangerous than the apparently identified separatist groups and separatist leaders, because they have cultivated the art and craft of swearing by Mother India, saying Bharat Mata ki Jai when in the position of power. The moment they are ousted out of power, they start swearing by Pakistan, they start questioning the integration of Jammu and Kashmir, they start raising questions on the sovereignty of India. In other words, they follow a policy of hunting with hounds and running with hare, and they've been getting away for the last several years. And therefore, I think this is now also yet another instance of the duplicity of these so-called mainstream political parties and their leaders getting exposed before the people of India. And secondly, as far as the issue of reversing or not reversing the Article 370 as she has raked up, let's not forget that the abrogation of Article 370 has happened with the resolution passed by the Parliament of India, which represents 135 crore people of India.
देखिए, नंबर एक तो भारतीय जनता पार्टी का जो एजेंडा था कि धारा 370 खत्म करने का, वो हमने किया। एक विधान, एक निशान, एक प्रधान की लड़ाई 70 साल से चल रही थी, हमने की। अब ये सपनों की दुनिया में जीना चाहते हैं तो इनको कोई रोक नहीं सकता। ना तो धारा 370 कभी वापस आने वाली है, तो ना इसके बारे में इनको सोचना चाहिए। ये लाल झंडे की बात करना तिरंगे झंडे का अपमान है, और ये जो कर रही हैं ठीक नहीं कर रही। देखिए, ये लोग पहले भी पाकिस्तान के इशारे पर, तो कभी अब पाकिस्तान का अपना अस्तित्व कुछ नहीं रहा तो चाइना के इशारे पर ये बातें करते हैं। तो इससे साफ एक जाहिर इनका करैक्टर नज़र आता है कि एंटी नेशनल जो देश के खिलाफ देश लोग हैं, उनसे मिलकर के ये इस प्रकार की बातें करते हैं। इनको भी उसी कैटेगरी में हम लेंगे जो एंटी नेशनल एलिमेंट्स हैं। तो कुल मिलाकर के इनको अपनी जवान को सुधारना चाहिए, नहीं तो फिर से इसके बारे में कुछ ना कुछ सोचना पड़ेगा सरकार को।
धारा 370 ने जम्मू कश्मीर को पिछले 70 सालों में बर्बाद किया। जम्मू कश्मीर को बम, बंदूक, पिस्तौल, गोलियां देने वाली ये धारा 370, इसने जम्मू कश्मीर को लहूलुहान किया, जम्मू कश्मीर को खून से लथपथ किया। सैकड़ों, हजारों, लाखों बेगुनाह लोगों की हत्या अगर जम्मू कश्मीर में पाकिस्तान अलगाववादियों और आतंकवादियों ने की, तो इसी धारा 370 के कारण उपजे आतंकवाद और अलगाववाद ने वो जाने ली। जब धारा 370 को उखाड़ के फेंक दिया गया, उस वक्त इमरान खान को जो तकलीफ हुई, जो चीन को तकलीफ हुई, वही तकलीफ आज महबूबा मुफ्ती को हो रही है। लेकिन शायद महबूबा मुफ्ती इस बात को भूल गई हैं कि ये जम्मू कश्मीर भारत देश का अटूट अंग था, है और रहेगा। दुनिया की कोई